When you're facing the car cannot start, like just cranking, it have few possible reasons, and one of them is the oil is cannot go on from the tank, so you need to check the petrol fuel injection. Is that right? Is it function alright? And another one is because of the fuse. So now this time I'm facing the problem is because of the fuse broken. That's why the fuel injection is not function. So by the way, is when the fuse is damaged, you need to look for what is the reason of the fuse is cause it the fuse broken. Because if you refuse the fuse, you found the broken fuse and you refuse the fuse, and after you start it, it's come back will be still broken. So I show you a picture. That's what are happening because last time when I changed the roof cover and when I close back, I accidentally to close the a wire to touch the body of the engine. It's caused the negative to touch the positive, so the fuse is broken because of this problem. After previously the car is cranking and cannot start and keep cranking, so I found it to change this one. You need to take off this one from this 2 point, and then you open the cover here. The first one you just open by push, and then you check every one fuse here should be the first one, the first fuse, and then it's broken just like this. And after I do the replacement, smooth and nice. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for more video. Thank you.